Eric was like, I got some tires, you know. I was like, oh, cool, I like tires, it's easy. And then he showed up and he was like, yeah, they're 19s and they're 35 profile. So I was like, oh, plot twist, cool. But we'll get it done.
All right.
Perfect. Well, all right, everyone. We're doing another thing today. This is Eric. He brought over some wheels and tires to mount up.
Beautiful wheels and
Yeah,
tires.
yeah, you don't find these every day.
You don't. I heard they were a custom one-off.
Unfortunately, yeah.
Unfortunately, yes.
But no, I've known Eric for a super long time. Even though we've only met like a handful of times, we've known each
Just
other.
weird.
Yeah, for like 10, 11 years, just only met like 10, 11 times, which is cool. No big deal. So we're gonna do some tires today, and we hope that we can introduce Eric more. Tell the people about yourself.
I used to drift like 10 or 11 years ago. I can't prove it now.
Yeah,
I'm sure there's videos out there.
There are videos, yeah.
There's videos. I made videos. They're on YouTube, I think.
Eric used to have a white Koki S14.
Oh, yes.
Very dependable. Could always catch it with the track.
Oh, the AC worked.
Yeah.
Summertime drifting, I had my windows up, blasting the AC, all nice and cool. Everyone else is like doing the door thing.
Yeah.
I'm so hot, sweating. I'm like, suckers. Fun times.
Yeah.
And what? Amazing coffee?
Oh yeah, and Eric makes the best coffee you will ever find.
And I will make you one.
Yeah, I need to get over there.
Next
Sunday.
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 On us Sunday.
Sunday, yeah.
Yes.
I
I work at Coffee Links. It's a little family-owned establishment in Ogden. We are very passionate about coffee. I do latte art. We have some really delicious food as well. It's weird for a coffee shop. People come in just for the food. And I'm like, okay, I guess that's impressive on its own.
Yeah.
But yeah, you can check us out, Ogden, Utah.
We'll put a link here.
There.
Down there.
Oh, down.
Down there.
It'll be down here, not up there.
Not up there.
Yeah.
It'll be around.
Yeah. And yeah.
Anyway,
I think let's do some tires.
shall we?
Well, in summation of the day, I mounted Eric's 19-inch wheels and tires, but I could not balance them because my tire machine has an unusual backing plate. So we're going to order that tonight, and when it gets in, we'll be doing them for a hookup price, you know, because the
I have to drive all the way back here.
I know, yeah, he lives so far away.
So far.
Oh, jeez.
At least 15 minutes away.
But, anywho, thanks for tuning in to the shop thing today. Hit that like and subscribe. See ya.
They're gonna go in the car and they're gonna sit there and look pretty.
Do me that.
Or they're gonna look however.
They're gonna look like wheels.
They're gonna look like wheels on a car!
Is that gonna help you carry them out so they don't roll them and get them all dirty and getting them into your car?
No, because my car's dirty.
Okay. I offered.
You did. That was very kind.